Hi guys, this is a video for beginner conversation for week 12, part 2. So we just did the PowerPoint to learn some new vocabulary for chapter 11. Let's look at the textbook together now. So here is your textbook, chapter 11, page 92. And we just did these in the PowerPoint, but let's practice again together. Listen and repeat. You have to enter here. You must turn off your music. It's okay to have a pet. You shouldn't park on the street. Don't fall asleep. You can't smoke. You don't have to wait. You don't need to wear a uniform. And the responses are if somebody asks you a question about the rules. So, is it okay if I have a pet? It's all right. It's fine. No problem. It's okay. So let's do this one. Do I have to enter here? It's fine. Do I have to turn off my music? No problem, it's okay. That means your music is okay. You don't have to turn off your music. Is it okay to have a pet? It's all right. You can have a pet. How about, should I park on the street? Please don't. Can I smoke here? Sorry, no. Can I fall asleep? I prefer you didn't. Okay, so these are the responses if someone asks you a question about these rules. So let's do the listening practice together. The listening practice is here. So this is you turn off the music at 11 o'clock. What do you hear?
Unit 11. Listening. You can't do that. Number 1.
How about music?
You have to turn off the music at 11 o'clock.
At 11 o'clock?
Yeah, you have to turn it off. Other people are trying to sleep. Of course, you can listen with headphones.
Okay, so write the answer here on the line. Part 2.
Number 2.
Is food allowed in the rooms?
Sure, you can have food in your room if you want. No problem.
Can I have a refrigerator?
A fridge? That's okay. You can have a refrigerator. Lots of people do.
Oh, good.
Number 2.
Is food allowed in the rooms?
Sure, you can have food in your room if you want. No problem.
Can I have a refrigerator?
A fridge? That's okay. You can have a refrigerator. Lots of people do.
Oh, good.
Okay, so remember to write the rule about what, and then what did you hear? So, number 3.
Number 3.
I can have friends visit, right?
Sure, no problem.
At night?
That's okay. You can have visitors at night. Yeah, visitors are not a problem, but you have to be quiet, of course. You don't want to bother people.
One more time.
Number 3.
I can have friends visit, right?
Sure, no problem.
At night?
That's okay. You can have visitors at night. Yeah, visitors are not a problem, but you have to be quiet, of course. You don't want to bother people.
Okay, and the last one, part 4.
Number 4.
How about putting posters on the wall?
Don't use nails or tacks to hang them. You should use tape.
Tape.
Right. You should use tape.
Anything else?
Not really. Just be cool.
What's that?
Okay, one more time.
Number 4.
How about putting posters on the wall?
Don't use nails or tacks to hang them. You should use tape.
Tape.
Right. You should use tape.
Anything else?
Not really. Just be cool.
What's that?
Okay, so now let's check the answers. So here is the rule about food and the fridge. Here is the rule about visitors. Here's the rule about the posters. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so here is listening for specific information. So go ahead and put the video back. You can click back in the video to hear one more time. Complete the sentences with the verbs. Here are 3 extra. So can, have to, should, can, can't, have to, don't, shouldn't. These go here. Okay? So where do you see these words? There are 3 extra. Let's check. Go back in your video, click back, and watch the recording again so you can hear. I don't want to play them too many times. So then we will check. Okay, are you ready? Let's check. You have to turn off the music at 11 o'clock. You can have food in your room. You can have a fridge. You can have visitors in your room, but you have to be quiet. Don't use nails or tacks or posters. You should use tape. Okay. All right. Next, let's do the listening about you. I love this part. Okay, so let's listen.
About you.
1. What time do you turn off music or TV at night? 2. Can you have friends visit at night? 3. Can you listen to loud music? 4. Is there a rule you don't like?
Okay, so let's try one more time. This time I'm going to turn up the volume so I can hear as well.
About you.
1. What time do you turn off music or TV at night?
What time do you turn off the music or the TV at night? So, how about you? What time do you turn off the TV and music? I turn off the TV and music about 9:30 p.m. or 10 o'clock p.m.
2. Can you have friends visit at night?
Can you have friends visit at night? I think I can, but I don't because I think it's rude. How about you? Can you have friends visit at night?
3. Can you listen to loud music?
Can you listen to loud music? No, I think I can't listen to loud music. I live in an apartment building, so my neighbors will be very angry.
4. Is there a rule you don't like?
Is there a rule you don't like? Is there a rule you don't like? I don't like the rule about no swimming in the Gumhogang River. My house is next to the Gumhogang River, and I love to swim. And the water is very deep, and I think the swimming will be very good. But the sign says no swimming. I don't like that rule. I think I should swim. Okay, so how about you? Your homework is to take a picture of page 93 and send me on the LMS, upload a picture of part 3 about you for your homework for this week, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the next page. Here is the conversation. What if I fall asleep?
Unit 11. Conversation. What if I fall asleep?
I'm taking that teacher's class next year. Is he any good?
Yeah, really good. But he's strict.
Strict?
Right. We have to do homework every week.
Every week?
And you shouldn't be late.
It's an early class. What if I fall asleep?
Oh, you won't. He's an interesting teacher.
Okay, so strict is a word. It means you must be very careful about the rules. You will get in trouble easily if you don't follow the rules. If you do something bad, you will easily have trouble. So some teachers are not strict. Some teachers, oh, it's okay, no problem, just do your best. But some teachers are very strict and they say, oh, you didn't turn in your homework, you have an F. So some teachers you must be very careful, but sometimes it's okay. So strict, you must be very careful. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the crazy laws. I think this is very interesting. So a law is like a rule, but a law is a country's rule. So it's from the government. The police will be angry if you break the law, if you don't follow the country's rule. So the law is like a police rule. How about this? What do you think? You can or cannot name a pig Napoleon in France. What do you think? I think you can. I think you can. Number 2. That's next page. Number 3. In Denmark, you have to or don't have to turn on car headlights even during the day. I think you have to. You have to turn on the car's lights, headlights, even during the day. What do you think? Draw a circle. In Thailand, you must or you don't have to wear a shirt when you ride a motorcycle. I think you don't have to. Number 7. In Venice, Italy, you should or should not feed the pigeons. I think you should not feed the pigeons. In Israel, you must or you don't need to have a license to ride a bicycle. Oh, I think you don't need to have a license to ride a bicycle. And in 11, in Samoa, a man has to or doesn't have to remember his wife's birthday. Wife's birthday. I'm gonna say he doesn't have to remember the birthday. In Baltimore, USA, you can or cannot take a lion to a movie theater. You cannot take a lion to a movie theater, I think. And the last one, in the UK, you can or cannot fly a kite in the street. I'm going to say you cannot fly a kite in the street. It's too dangerous in the street. Okay, so look at the answer below and let's see where we right. So this is the answers. Number 1, you can.